Hello everyone. My name is Taligan Malik. I'm a student in the University of Putra, Malaysia, and me and my groupmates, Hassan Wabib Zarifan, Fang Xin Wei, Kyle Kalita Chandra, created an application called Smart Gardening Companion, and I would like to introduce you to it. But before that, did you know that 64% of the home gardens struggle with pests and diseases they can't identify? Or that a sort of gardens say they simply don't have enough information to keep their plants alive? Well, gardening is supposed to reduce stress, and research even showed that gardening daily improves well-being and lowers stress significantly. But nowadays, especially for the novices and for the most people, it's frustrating, not relaxing. And that's why we built the Smart Gardening Companion, an AI-powered gardening app that turns confusion into confidence. It's designed for three kinds of people. For example, the enthusiastic beginner who makes amateur mistakes like the busy grower managing multiple plants who needs fast answers like Jamie Oliver, and the total beginner who just needs motivation to stick with it, like Muhammad. So now, let me show you how it works. First, you sign up or register in seconds, clean, simple, no friction. For example, so now, as we created our profile and we registered in, the home dashboard is your command center. So the moment you open the app, you see your points, your day streak, your batch progress, and today's task. Everything you need stays on track at a glance. And now let's move on to the next page. It's the plants page. And as you may see, we could add a new plant. So basically, just adding a new plant. For example, let's say we are adding the red rose. As we already know, red rose is in species of the roses, and location, let's say, bedroom. And as a notes, let's say that the rose needs watering in 3 days. And let's put this logotype, and now we can set up the schedule. So as we already know, we need just the watering for now, and it's already set up for 3 days. But if you want, we could change it, for example, 4, 5, and so on. Also, we have many other, but for now, they're not necessary. Now we have our first plant. Now let's move on to the next page. It's the tasks page. And as you may see, we already have upcoming tasks for our retros. And let's say we already done it and we watched it. So now we press this button and you can see that the task is done. And also we can see that we earned our first points. We go to the profile and you may see that we already have our 5 points in our progress for the next batch. But also we have already our first batch about first plant that we earned by creating our first plant. Now let's move on to the next page. It's the AI one. So basically, all you have to do as a user is snap a photo of any plant, and within seconds, the AI identifies the disease, gives you a severity score, and provides full treatment plan. For example, and we see the diagnosis. First, we have the plant and its condition, rosa, a classic ornamental flowering shrub known for its weird petals and fragment blooms, disease. And here we can see the full diagnosis. And then, what's more important is the treatment. Remove and destroy all infected blooms immediately, do not compose, place in sealed bags for disposal, and so on. After that, you can see the severity. In our case, it's severe, 85%. Also, you can see the categories, and we can immediately add the treatment to the plan schedule. After pressing this pan, we are choosing our rows, and now we can see in the tags that we have the treatment. Now let's move on to the evaluation. So I tested this app with real users, 5 family members across 3 generations, and the average system usability scale, in short SUS, score came out to be 80.5, which is rated excellent. And also, we have the Paul Kim's team from the Seeds of Empowerment, and they, through the Smile AI Sana course, independently tested the app and scored it 79.2, as you can see. Let's view the detailed results. And we can see that we scored 9 points out of 10 in phase one, vision and problem statement, 8 points in phase two, market analysis, 8 points in the proposed solution, also 8 in the AI and machine learning approach, and data strategy, 7 in technical architecture, 8 in business model, 7 in go-to-market strategy, 8 in the team execution, 7 in financial projections, 9 in social and environmental impact, and 8 in the scaling and future vision. Now, from identifying the problem to designing the real solutions to building a working AI powered prototype, Smart Garden Companion proves that with the right technology, anyone can become a confident gardener. So, thank you for watching.